but don't do it around me. Idleness, anticipation, breed apathy. I sit on my ass all goddamn day, a misanthropic anthropoid with nothing to say. What you must do all you can, break all the fucking rules and go to hell with super